Hello, Mr. Osborne here, and welcome to my class. This semester I will be assigning various projects which will require you to conduct a fair amount of research online. Additionally, I will have you use technology to create various assessment projects to show your understanding of material from the class. To create a safe environment for you and me to conduct these various projects, I'm going to provide you with several guidelines and rules for safe operations when using technology and the internet. I want all of you to have a fun and productive experience in my class, but I also want you to become responsible and safe users of technology and the internet. I know you've been told this about 1,000,000 times, but always remember, once you post information online, it's out there forever. If you did not understand this, I recommend the movie Sandlot. Here are some basic rules for internet safety. I will think before I post. Do not post information and images that could put you at risk, embarrass you, or damage your future. Remember, there's a high probability a prospective employer will check your online presence as part of their hiring protocol. My advice is do not share information online you would not want your grandmother to see. I will protect myself online. Do not share your real name, school, phone number, address, picture, or other identifying information. Please understand that what you post online is not private, even if you think only your friends can see your post. Do you know everyone who can view your friends online? And is there a chance your friend could forward your post? Additionally, do not share your passwords with anyone but perhaps your parents. Finally, if anything does not feel right or makes you feel uncomfortable, do not respond to it. Save the evidence and tell me or a trusted adult. Internet safety will be a topic we will continue to explore throughout the semester. Okay, let us learn together, have fun, and be safe. Have a great day.